Once we have started a new project, you'll notice this new screen that we would like to break down into two sides. So on the left side, you're going to have your project browser, and on your right side, you will have the configuration panel. The project browser is going to look pretty much the same throughout, while the configuration panel will have contextual tabs, or rather the tabs will change and you'll see more or less depending on what you have selected over on the project browser side. So, like I said, we started a blank project, so let's go ahead and get started. We notice that we have a new project site, and if I right click on that, I can rename my site, and I am just going to call it Site A. Now that I've got Site A, let's go ahead and break it down. So I'm going to right click on it again and choose to add building. And you'll notice that you automatically get a couple of layers within your building. Buildings are broken down by floors and spaces. So we've got our floor 1, space 1 is already named room 1, and then we also have zones and control points. These are optional and we will talk about them in a little bit. Going back up to our floor 1, if we wanted to add another space, we would go ahead and right click on floor 1 and choose an add space. And likewise, we can also add more floors within our building, and we can change names as we would like. If you decide that you don't want something, you can right click again and choose to delete that line. So looking at what we have in our system, right now we just have spaces. We have sections and areas. We don't have any actual equipment yet, so let's go ahead and add that.